Hey, what's going on, guys? Today is a very, very special day. If you've been following me on Instagram for any amount of time in the recent few weeks, you would have seen that I am a part of the Grambassador program for the Rad Company for Q2 of 2022. And part of being a Grambassador is you get a really cool care package from the Rad Company with different products and towels and stuff to share the knowledge of what microfiber towels are, to let people experience them that may have never, used a high quality microfiber towel, as well as just some chemicals to try out, some stuff that we may have never used as detailers, and just some cool swag. And so to start this off, it's only necessary to throw on my new Rad Company snapback here to start this video off. And so yeah, we're just gonna kind of dive into everything they sent. Just want to start off by saying huge thank you to the Rad Company and everybody there for one, allowing me this opportunity to be a part of the Grambassador program, but even more importantly, or more so, to send me this amazing care package. So huge thank you to everyone there that has been so kind and welcoming to the family. And so yeah, let's just take a deep dive into everything they have sent and what all we got here. So we'll start with the big package here on my left. It is a ginormous box full of towels. What they did was they sent over a ginormous full case, I think, of the car wash towels. There's more. There's more. Yeah, they sent they sent a lot of microfiber towels. These are the 16 by 27 car wash towels in many different colors, and it's an 80-20 blend. Yes, 80-20 blend split microfiber towel. Just a great all-around towel for really anything. Drying your car off, cleaning the inside, cleaning the outside, doesn't matter, you name it, it'll do it. It is a fantastic towel, a great all-purpose towel, and and it comes, as you can see, in lots of colors. Yeah, I'm really excited to get to give some of these away to people so they can also experience high-quality microfiber towels if they've never had a chance to. So thank you, Rad Company, for so many towels. Moving on to the next set of goodies in this box here. These are a little different, some more chemicals and some accessories and stuff like that. And so first off, this really cool, like a black camo hat. It's a 5950 and it's really awesome. So I'm gonna put that back on. And so first thing in here, we have the new Detail Factory curve ball, the Detail Factory curve ball. This actually, I bought this last week, and so they actually threw it in this box, but very excited to try out the curve ball. Looks to be a phenomenal brush. I have yet to try it. We have it here. It is humongous, and it is so soft. I'm very stoked to try this out. So the first thing that the Rad Company sent in the care package here is a IKHC TR1 spray bottle. This one is for, you can use this for hydrocarbons and alcohols, and then comes with the spray head here, the matching white spray head. So super stoked on that. Next up, we have this. I've also been very excited to try the new 1500 from the Rad Company. It's a 30 by 30 HD drying towel. So it gets the name 1500 from being 1500 GSM, which, if you don't know what GSM stands for, grams per square meter. And so it's a super dense, super plush, really soft, and ginormous drying towel. So be looking out for some content on that because it's going to be really awesome. So that is really cool. Up next, some of these things are wrapped, so we're gonna have to unwrap some of these things, but we also got a set of the bucket labels, which I've actually been putting through the ringer on my buckets back here, as well as a special Grambassador TRC sticker. And then we have a nice little color lock brush here with the Rad Company logo branding on there. Super awesome to have. Great to have on hand at any time for leather, interior bits, all the works. It works really well. And then next, probably should have cut these open beforehand, but that's no fun. I have not looked through this. I specifically did not look at my shipping list, my label, because I didn't want to know. I wanted it to be a surprise. So we have a bottle of Rags to Riches, say the best microfiber towel wash I've ever used. And super stoked to have a bottle of this because you can never, ever have too much of that. Also, can we just appreciate the packaging on all of this stuff? I mean, everything is individually wrapped in bubble wrap, taped so it doesn't come undone. It is so well done. props to you, the Rag Company, for being so awesome at packing and for keeping everybody's packages safe. Okay, so up next in this box, we have a bottle of Tri-Clean from Gtechniq. Awesome. I've yet to try Tri-Clean. I've heard it's really great stuff. It has BioCoat for the antibacterial properties, and so, man, some great stuff. And then, oh, you know what? Let's just continue on with Gtechniq because I see something new here that I'm very excited to take a look at. A bottle of Quick Detailer from Gtechniq. In the new branding, the new packaging, the new bottles. Yeah, oh man, this looks good. This looks really, really good. Well done, Gtechniq, on the new branding. Looks fantastic. So yeah, new bottle of Quick Detailer. Actually, I was gonna order a bottle because I needed a new bottle of their Quick Detailer. It's the best stuff I've used as far as Quick Detailers, so you should get a bottle. Next, let's get this out of the way. We have, actually, can I just pull this out? Yep, perfect. Oh yeah, we have a bottle of GSF, Gentle Snow Foam from Chemie, or KCX. Just a nice pH neutral soap that smells like cherries, and I'm very excited to give it a try. Everything I've seen online, it foams really well, it smells really good, and everybody seems to love it. So super stoked on that. And then we have a little small detail brush here from Detail Factory. It is a synthetic fiber brush, yeah, with the tri-handle, yeah. Very excited about this too. I mean, let's be real, I'm gonna say it every single time. I'm excited about it all, but the little small brushes are perfect. Perfect. Let's see what else we have here. Ooh, I think I know what this is. Yeah, we have a bottle of Dream Maker. Just a good old bottle of Dream Maker, man. This stuff is killer. I think I've gone through 2 bottles already myself. The paint just looks so good after you use this stuff. It is, I mean, it just pops. It adds some slickness, gloss, a little bit of protection, and I mean, maybe lasts like a week or so, but it is, man, this stuff is good. Especially if you're going to a car show, throw on your paint and before you go, and it looks fantastic. So that is awesome. Next, we have, yeah, this stuff. I'll slice my finger open. This is some good stuff that I have heard many good things about. It is the Magic Wheel Cleaner from Chemie, or KCX. Everything I've seen online, it has been fantastic. I've not had a chance to try it out myself. The only Chemie chemical that I've tried is Motorplast for like engine bays and plastics, and so very excited to give this a try and see what it is all about. And then down here, oh man, what do we have in here? Well, shoot, let's open this up. First things first, we have a Rag Company shirt. Oh yeah, it's just a good shirt. So soft. Just a good old Rag Company blue logo shirt. Next thing on the list here, we have a couple of the little gauntlets here. I think these are the 12x12 gauntlet towels. Honestly, probably the best drying towel ever made. And you can never have too many little 12x12s, whether you're using for wheels or little spots to dry. It's a fantastic towel. All right, next item in the bag, we have a Cyclone Ultra Wash Mitt. This thing is, man, so soft. I haven't had a new one in a little while, and just holding a new one is just, it feels so good. Same thing, you can never have too many. The next up, I have wanted to try these Fender Defender. You can throw this over a door sill if you're vacuuming. You can throw it over the fender if you're working on the engine bay or anything like that. It protects the paint. It keeps from any scratching while you're working. This is awesome. Stoked to try that out. Up next, we have 2 of the black diamond weave glass towels here. Super great for either the first cleaning or the final wipe of your glass. Really, really good towel. And then under that, we have a couple of the purple or lavender pearl weave towels. Super awesome for removing coatings or leveling coatings, I should say. I also like to use them for washing a car. Instead of using a mitt, I'll use a couple pearl weave towels, and they work really, really nicely for that as well. And below that, we have 2 of the FTW towels in orange. Honestly, it's my favorite towel ever made. Now, I don't know if you can ever beat this towel. It's so versatile, it's so well made. I can't even get these things to lint even if I wanted to. And they are just, gosh, they have such a nice weight to them. Yeah, I wish they made bath towels in these towels because that's all I would ever use. They're the best. And below that, we have 5 of the Edgeless 365s. A really great towel for putting on or removing a quick detailer or dream maker or anything. It's just a really great all-around towel. Super soft, and this color is really, really nice. Even better in person. Really, really nice. And the last towel in the bunch are these blue 16 by 24, the Eagle Edgeless 500s. Oh man, these are really, really nice. So soft. I mean, feels like powdered sugar in your hands. They're so soft. And a 16 by 24 is a nice size to get a little more surface area when cleaning too. But so we've got a few of those in here. And man, these are just so great. But seriously, this is incredible. I can't thank the Rag Company enough for sending all of this out for me to try and to just explore and to share. And yeah, I'm just super, super stoked to be a part of the family, the TRC family, and just to, you know, grow and just explore so much more of the detailing community and the people that are in it that make it so great. And so thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys got to kind of get a look at some of the really great products that the Rag Company offers from so many different companies. And so definitely go to theragcompany.com, check them out. Check out all the products that I've mentioned below. And you can also use code HUNTER15 to save 15% off that order. But seriously, seriously, thank you to the Rag Company for providing all of this, for sending this to me to try out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more stuff to come, and I'll see you next time.